how to create second Roblox account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create second Roblox account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the Roblox app, then you simply have to tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, in this section, you simply have to scroll down to the bottom and there you simply have to tap on the option that says log out. And now here, in this section, you can either log out from your main account or you can either tap on switch accounts as well. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on add account. And now here, on the new pop-up menu, you'll see two options. One is to log in with existing account and second is to create new account. So here you simply have to tap on create new account. And now here, it will take you to the page where you have to create a new account. So here, as usual, you simply have to select your birth date first, and after that, you have to enter your username. And here, once you're done entering your username, you can select your gender. And now, here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on continue. And with that, it might ask you to verify it with your Gmail account. So here you can do it if it have asked you, and that's it. With this, you'll be able to create your second Roblox account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.